Hello, welcome back to my channel, Patrick Q. Today is going to be a very crazy day, trying to relax, take it easy, and try to get some things done. It's a little bit frustrating so far, but it's going to try to not stress out too much about it. So let's get right into it. So here at Michael's, looking at some stuff that my mom wants to get. She's going to get this to do her crafts, right? So just looking, there's a couple things that she's been looking for, trying to give, so she can create a lot of crafts stuff. So yeah, but today's been a very crazy day, trying to really try not to stress about things. It's really a little bit stressful trying to get this Christmas started, but we get it done. Right, Mom?
I'm gonna start.
Yeah, we haven't done that much lately with it. But we need to. Yeah. Yeah. So we're just gonna try to really do everything.
And we need to learn how to do the cricket way and put my name Patri.
Yeah. You want to get something like that?
And do like that.
Yeah.
And then I can use it as a sample to sell it.
I like these cups though.
I know, those are cute.
They're really cute. Yeah, I know. Oh, is that kind of similar?
Yeah, similar to the dollar store that I have. I think they're a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
How much does it say in the back?
It doesn't say. So I found this from News This, I don't know what it's called, but it is so cute. Somewhere. I think I might get this. I'm not sure yet, but just gonna keep on looking around. Go to the dollar store soon with my mom. It's been stressful today. Trying not to stress out too much because we've been stressing out this morning. So I'm trying to calm myself down and not to stress out a lot. So I'm going to go soon. Just really enjoy today. Just giving you guys a little update. And just really try and get started on my mom's business because it is finally time to do it. So really try to relax. Yeah, that's so cute stuff.
It's just plates. I bought that one.
That's so cute stuff. I like looking at the stuff at the dollar store. Oh.
Don't we have one of those?
I think so, but not that color. It's a red one.
Oh, you know what it is?
What?
It's one of the reds that I made.
Yeah, but oh, these so cute. Some of the things.
How is this?
That might be a good thing to have for your business. What are you thinking about for that?
For the brushes, and then the two little things that I have.
Yeah. So trying to find some stuff in here. You see what you're looking for now?
Not yet.
Not yet. Just gonna be looking around here. Try to find what we came here for. Haven't found anything yet. Oh, yeah, that is cute.
But I need boxes that are closed.
Is that what you're looking for? Something like that?
This, and then the little ones where I can put for their cover.
Yeah, but you don't see them.
No, because not that time.
No, but trying to find the one that you're looking for, but don't see it. That's the only one you're gonna get because they don't have it. Doesn't seem like it.
Would this be a good thing to put all the little boxes with the stones?
No,
like
it won't be that bad. Yeah, what do you think?
Instead of this one?
That one or which one you like better? Which one be
I'm
better?
just trying to find something where I can organize them.
Oh, yeah. I'm trying to think of that too right now. Maybe because of the size difference. Yeah, we gotta try to figure this out. Trying to figure it out now. That'd be
deeper.
Yeah,
but
this one
longer.
This one might be better, but we'll see. Got home long ago. I've been chilling for a little bit. I'll show you what I got at Michael's and at the dollar store. And I need to go eat something because I am really hungry right now. And then I'm kind of still trying to relax and need to organize around my mom's room because really it's a little bit of a mess right now. You can tell. that needs to be fixed. So I'm gonna help my mom all with that and get that situated. So yeah, but it's just been a very crazy day today. Right now, I'm gonna show you what I got. The first thing I got at Michael's is this Stitch toy. I like it a lot. So cute. So I got that at Michael's. I'm gonna show you what I got at the dollar store. So here in my mom's room. Somewhere. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can try to find it in this mess. But let's see if I can figure out where bag it is. I think it's in that bag right there. So I'm gonna try to find it. I found them. I got these Harry Potter toys that I got at the dollar store. Got Harry Potter. And I got Hermione Granger. And then one Weasley. And it comes with the cards of the characters. So I'm gonna need to open this up and figure out where I'm gonna put them. And I saw them at the dollar store. It's like, oh, they look really cool. And these are the only figures that you can get. It's only those three, not any other characters from Harry Potter. But I liked it a lot. They are very cool. So I gotta find space in my room to put them. But I really am happy that I got these because I never really seen them before at the dollar store. I think they probably had them, but it's just really haven't seen much of them that much. So yeah. Right now I'm gonna go and just eat. I'm gonna make some chicken strips and just relax. And then I need to really help with all this mess. Right here. It's a lot of mess, but it's not that bad. So I'm going to really take it easy and just chill. So it's coming along. Yeah, I like it. That's good.
See, I cleaned the underneath also.
So
And I
that
was
looks
able
better.
to put my computer.
Trying to organize all this stuff. It's a lot to organize though. But it's coming along real good. I'm happy.
Tell me about it.
And I'm gonna be helping you. Let's see if that fits in there. Let's see if that will fit in that bag.
So what names do you have?
I've got a lot of names for your business I gotta choose from. I don't.
Another one.
Another bigger one?
The bigger one.
So this one work for those. Okay. I gotta get another one. Yeah. Need to look through the names I have on my laptop. We gotta choose one as soon as possible, right?
Yep. And
Yes,
then
we
we
need
need to learn with the.
Yeah, all the stuff that we got, all the machines over there. Yep, but it's happening. Okay, I think this is much bigger than the other one. I think that will work much better than the other one I got you.
Yeah.
Okay. So anything you need to do, or you got it?
No, I think I got it.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah,
It looks like you got it.
look-
I was gonna help you out, but it
I
seems
know,
like
look, I got 4 left containers that
Mm.
probably I can use it later.
later. But
Yeah.
it is coming to be organized than it was before.
Yeah.
It was a mess.
Well, everything was on the floor
Yeah.
and work stuff together,
Yeah.
so it'd be better.
To get it all organized. Yeah.
Yeah, see, I was able to put the other laptop in there.
Oh yeah.
So,
That's much better right there.
yeah. It looks
So
much better.
all organized. I'm happy. I'm getting this done. Well, you're getting done. I'm not. I was gonna help you, but still.
You know, I don't wait.
You don't wait for me. I told you I was gonna help
I
you.
just go for it.
Go for it. Okay. Well, if I need to do anything, I'll do it for you. But I'm happy that it is getting organized. You're trying to find those, but you couldn't find any of them.
No.
Yeah.
Well, now I need
But that
to
does
clean again.
That is
Looks so much better.
much better. Oh yeah. And just did all that. I think that really works out good. It's perfectly. Nice, organized, and much easier for you.
Yeah. Is there anything on the top?
We got
What is that? Oh,
these.
the letters.
The letters.
That goes here. This is just for
Yeah.
things
And this all the stuff you already created.
I already created, and then
So-
all this are the.
So we need to
And
learn
then
how
this
to
is-
use this
Yeah, and then we
Cricut.
need to use this.
Yeah, and then we got one over there. And we got to do so.
And
It's
this
a lot of
one,
work though.
this one is easy because that's to create stamps and things like that.
Yeah,
I
that,
need to sell this.
And that one down there was easier to use. But
Yeah,
it's coming along.
this
Little by little.
this is to make cars.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should try. They have
That'd be
paper
good.
in there, and so
So, yep.
you can take pictures and the little thing, and then you can trace
Well,
that.
that's good.
So,
That's awesome. Okay, got that in there because we don't know where to put that for now. So just put it here in the shed. And we have no more summer stuff back here anyway. So we checked already.
I thought we had a lot.
And that's so too, but I think we got rid of
We
some.
got rid of it because we were afraid Luna
Was gonna, yeah, I think and that's the reason when we had
a
Luna.
little flag, and
Yeah.
we didn't have any pillows because she destroyed
Destroys
the
them.
other one. So we
But yeah, something like that. But just, yeah. I would like to, we need to buy more summer things. Time to make my bed, because I really need to make it. So I'm going to make my bed and just keep on taking it easy. So I finished making my bed and with my mom trying to figure out names for her own business. I got a couple of names I'm going to show you guys in a minute, but right now I'm going to work a little bit on my graduation poster idea that I want to do. I have another poster over there. I did that one another day because I don't want to stay up too late because I get up early between 5 and 5:30 because I have to work around 7:30 tomorrow. So I really need to try not to stay up too late. So I'm going to work on this. I'm going to use the hot glue gun and just try to really figure it out. I think I got an idea. Hopefully it works. Yeah, and hopefully it really goes well. So I'm gonna do this and see how it goes. Got both of the posters done. I was going to do just one of them, but I did both. But they came out real good. I'm gonna show you all up close. But I really am proud of what I did. It's really amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys. Got all of it done. Got the first one, the second one. Tried to put the year 2025. I tried to write it down, but it would not show up. So I need to find something that I can put on there at some point. But it did not go according to plan, but I am glad I got both of them done. I'm glad I got all the craft stuff I wanted to get done. The glass eraser posters came out really good. And I don't know where I'm going to put them, but I'll figure it out later. I need to get ready for bed because I'm tired and I need to really get some rest so I can get up early and get ready for work tomorrow. I don't be at work until 7:30, so I really need to get some rest. But first, I'm going to show you guys the names that me and my mom came up for her business. We took some off and we added some. Still don't know the name yet, but we will figure it out at some point. Let me show you guys and see what you guys think. These are the names that we came up with. We crossed off like 6 of them and added like a little more. And we got these right here on the top. So trying to figure out which name to go with for my mom's business. Haven't figured out yet, but at some point we will figure it out. I am happy that we're getting this together and it's going to be fine. It's going to be positive that everything's going to work out. And eventually, once we get everything situated, this will go fine. But I just really try not to stress out too much about this. Try to help her out on top of me not stressing out to find a job in web design. It's just been stressful, but just really trying to take it easy and not let it stress me out. Well, yeah, I'm gonna start getting ready for bed because I really need to get some rest. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell, and be who you are. Bye.